Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So what is the next number in the sequence 2, 6, 22, 56, 114? Now we have this kind of problems, right, where the series is not an arithmetic series or there is no flat addition of a number which is actually giving you the next term, right? So there are various ways of thinking about problems like this. You can probably think of numbers getting multiplied, like the first number you can think as 1 into 2, second one can be thought as 2 into 3, but then this is not 3 into 4, right? So this pattern doesn't follow the sequence or but the sequence doesn't follow this pattern, right? So this is not possible. Next, you can think of the next number getting multiplied by something, right? Something with the previous number. So this could be probably 2 into 3, but 6 into 3 is 18, right? So again, the series doesn't follow this pattern. So let's see if we can find some other pattern, right? So let's try to subtract the numbers. So if we do 6 minus 2, we'll get the difference as 4. If we do 22 minus 6, we get the difference as 12. If we do 56 minus 22, we get the difference as 34. If we subtract 114 with 56, we're gonna get a difference of if we do 114 minus 56, we're gonna get a difference of 58. Again, there is no pattern, right? So 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36, but it doesn't follow a pattern. So let's see if we subtract them again, what do we get? So if we subtract them again, we have 8. If we subtract this, we have 16,000. Now let's try subtracting the terms, right? And see if there is a pattern in the difference. So if we subtract this numbers, we have 4. If we subtract this numbers, we have 16. If we subtract this numbers, we have 34. If we subtract this numbers, we have 58. Again, there is no pattern, right? Like 4 into 4 is 16, but 16 into 4 is 64, right? So again, no pattern here. Let's try subtracting again. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 34 is 18. 34 minus 58 minus 34 is 24. Now there is some pattern, right? So there is actually the terms are getting added by 6 or getting incremented by 6, right? So if I have to find the next term, the difference would have been 30. That means this number would have been 58 plus 30. So 58 plus 30 would be 88. That means I have to add 88 to 114 to get the answer. So this will be equal to 202, right? So answer will be option number A. Now sequence always involves tricky problems like this. If you want to master the concepts, which includes both the theory and want to solve tricky problems like this, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video, where I teach you both the theory concepts and also tell you how to solve problems like this. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.